We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service to our customers, and this review shows that we're doing a good job. We are very proud of this. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.